according to Google, AI, whoever, it says this is without insurance, if you're going to live on a budget, and why we will not be looking to move back is because without insurance, a doctor visit typically costs $100 to $300 for a primary care visit, but can be cheaper if you decide to go to some clinics, maybe under $100, but it can be higher for specialists. A retail clinic, it says CVS, Walgreens, 60 to 120 for minor issues like cold and flu. That's just minor issues. Primary care office, $100 to $300. New patient visits can be higher. Urgent care, around $150 for an exam, not including x-ray and labs. Oh, and also a specialist can range between $350 to $400 or more. Primary care. If you have a primary care here, general practitioner can be anywhere from $25 to $40. Now, I would say this: if you're going to a Ecuadorian general practitioner, their cost is usually $25 to $30. Their average. If you're going to do a home visit, your home visit can be anywhere between $30 to $40, depending on the general practitioner that's coming to your house, the doctor. Right.
Really worth it.
So if you're going to doctors that are bilingual, you can expect to pay more. You can expect to pay $40 for a visit versus going to an Ecuadorian doctor who may speak a little English and they charge $25 for their visit. Labs. Labs here vary depending on what lab you go to, because some labs cost more than others. I've been to certain labs and gotten complete lab work, and I think it was maybe $50 to $60.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Yeah.
But then I can go somewhere else and I can have complete lab work and it can be $40, $45. It just depends, and you can shop around.
Yeah. They usually don't tie you down to like. I mean, every once in a while, I think that you had like one time where they said you had to go to this one place, or
because they only do it there because
Right.
that doctor was looking for some specific lab work,
right.
and she felt like that lab did the best.
So you can't shop around ordinarily for labs, but sometimes you may have to go to a specific lab that specializes in something. So that's just something you got to keep.